Now next is find the equation of the plane passing through the point 1 minus 1 2 and 2 minus 2 2 and which is perpendicular to the plane 6x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 9. Now, next question is find the equation of the plane passing through the point this and perpendicular to the plane this. Now see the solution. Let equation of the plane passing through the point point 1 minus 1 and 2 is a x minus 1 plus b y plus 1 plus c z minus 2 equal to 0. Let it is equation 1. Then equation of the plane passing through this point also, this plane also passes through two minus 2 and 2. Therefore, this point will satisfy the equation of plane. So it is a 2 minus 1 plus b minus 2 plus 1 plus c 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This gives you a minus b plus c into 0 equal to 0. Let it is equation 2. Now, plane 1 is perpendicular to given plane. Plane 1 is perpendicular to the given plane. Therefore, we will get 6a minus 2b plus 2c equal to 0. The axial ratio of the plane is 6 minus 2, 2 and the axial ratio of this plane is ABC. It is ABC and according to the condition there, when two planes are perpendicular, then it is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. From that condition, we will get this equation. Now there are two logic. We can eliminate ABC from equation 1, 2, 3 directly. Another logic, if we apply cross multiplication method in equation 2 and 3, applying cross multiplication method, now we will apply the cross multiplication method in equation 2 and 3. So we will get A upon, there is a determinant of second order, there is minus 1, minus 2, 0 and 2 equal to B upon 0 to 1, 6. Then C upon determinant 1, 6 minus 1 minus 2. Then it is A upon is minus 2 b upon 2 and c upon minus 12 minus 6. Then it is cancelled by minus 2. So a upon 1, b upon minus 1 and c upon is 18. So it is 9. Let it is some constant k. Then putting the value of ABC in equation 1. Putting ABC in equation 1, so we will get k into x. There is c upon minus 2 plus 6, so it is 1 upon c upon 4. Then a equal to k, b equal to minus k and c equal to 4k. Putting all these values in equation 1, we will get k into x minus 1 minus k into y plus 1 and 4k into z minus 2. Oh, yeah, there is a 2. C is 2k equal to 0. K is common and cancel. So it is x minus 1 minus y minus 1 plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. And this plane becomes x minus y plus 2z minus 6 equal to 0. So required equation of plane is x minus y plus 2z minus 6 equal to 0.